By preventing a full-on wardrobe malfunction.
Kind of like a bad porno.
I can't keep my top on. I need help. I need help.
July 2009. Emma Watson arrives on the red carpet for the premiere of Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. Then, as if summoned by the evil Lord Voldemort, a gust of wind lifts the young starlet's dress, fully exposing her chamber of secrets.
Yikes! Bet she wish she had her invisibility cloak right then.
Silly girl. She wore underpants. Celebrity stars wear underpants nowadays.
At least she had underwear on. That's right, I'm talking to you, Britney Spears.
And speaking of Miss Spears, in August 2007, the beleaguered pop star steps out for an afternoon with 24 of her closest paparazzi pals in tow. There's just one hitch. Britt seems to have forgotten her pants.
Brittany is holding an enormous green purse, and it's actually just the right size to hold the enormous lapse in judgment that she made by wearing this dress.
Coming up on E's 50 Most Insane Celebrity Oops. Your jaw will drop when you hear what came out of Kristen Stewart's mouth.
I'm totally crazy, yeah.
And Lady Gaga takes her outrageous behavior way too far.
I'm a lady. I don't talk about those things.
And later in the countdown, tons more unbelievably eye-popping celeb mishaps. From Shia and Jessica to Tiger and Lindsay. All when E's 50 Most Insane Celebrity Oops returns. Go ahead. You need more. New infallible gloss from L'Oreal. Now 8 hours of comfort and shine. Shine Fix polymers for unbelievable comfort and light-reflecting pigments for intense shine. Are you ready for more? L'Oreal's new infallible 8-hour gloss.
Modern coverage. Style, fit, support, and a lower shoulder neckline. Welcome news from Vanity Fair.
What's up, Draco?
All of that.
We will wear sarongs and look so right.
We will honeymoon like rabbits.
What?
Detox.
Then retox. We will turn the poor boy into a poor man.
From guaranteed low prices to cutting-edge mobile tools, the perfect trip begins at Orbitz. We will book our next trip before this one ends. Orbitz. Take vacation back.